Hi, Patty Durrell, the CEO of Rock Solid Fitness and a licensed physical therapist assistant, coming to you with another educational moment. So today I want to talk to you about rest and recovery. So this education is called Rest Easy. Muscle growth actually happens in between your workouts or when you're resting. So your workout is going to stimulate your muscles to grow by breaking down muscle proteins. This causes a favorable environment for your body to synthesize new muscle proteins, which results in gaining more strength and muscle, of course. However, if you don't give your body adequate time in between your workouts to recover and repair your muscles, this will have a negative effect on your strength and muscle growth. For optimal results, rest at least 48 hours in between your workouts. So we know that if you need more rest, you need to take it. And sometimes you don't know if you need more than 48 hours other than just learning how you perform and learning how you feel. So overtraining, some of the symptoms of that are you get real irritable, you can't sleep really well at night, you might find that you're sore all the time, your whole world kind of gets disrupted. It's like your stress level gets too much and you're working out and you're pounding your body. And even if you're not strength training, if you're doing something that's really stressful, like you have a real stressful job, or maybe you're going through a bad relationship, or maybe you're moving, or somebody's ill in your family, or you yourself are ill, those are all stressful things. So you want to minimize your stress. If you are exercising in other ways, such as like long distance running or biking, or you're maybe training for a triathlon or something, here again, you're cutting into your recovery time. So you want to factor in these other stressful days when you're planning your workout routine, and know that rest, optimal rest from all of the stress that's happening in your life, is going to yield your best results with your strength training process and routine. So if you are stuck and you're not sure how much rest your body needs, please get with your fitness coach at Rock Solid Fitness, or start to pay attention to your own sense of how you're feeling, how you're sleeping, and how you're doing. So rest easy.